Somebody in DX land dropping dead keys, sound like they got the bass microphone with the switch wrong, keying up with no audio and a bunch of that old trigger shit. You know what I mean?
Sounds like he's keying up on CW. That's what it sounds like, CW.
Either that or they're trying to transmit with a mic on on the relay trigger, you know?
Nah, I'm telling you, that's CW. That's an old useless now, but that's what it sounds like when you tune in on CW.
Old Brown Horn is good talking. Hot top shit. Ain't lying. Bring it.
Yeah, but them old bass mics, if that switch on the bottom's in the wrong position, it throws that transmission sound too.
Yeah, it's on these. 10-4.
It's in DX, I'll tell you that much, Brown. Whatever it is, whoever it is, definitely out of DX for sure.
Yeah, Brown. So yeah, it's $425. RM Italy 703, 750 watts. It's a beast. $425. Can't go wrong with these things.
You're right on. It's good copy on that, Bray.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's a little on the big side. It's about 22 inches long. But it's a, nice amp. Dual fans built in. Nice fucking amp.
You put it in there? Did you try it already?
It's hooked up right now. I'm on it right now. Checking it out.
Sound good, man. Sound real good, right?
Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, no, it's nice, man. RM Italy don't mess around.
on, what? You got my approval on it.
Hey, Brown.
I told you.
Hey, Brown.
Come on, pistol.
I've been telling everybody for almost a decade, RM really stands for real mean, man. They're living up to the sound quality.
You sure sound good in my hot top. That's for damn sure.
Gotta be a fool to buy a 667 over them 1x4s and them straight sixes. Gotta be a fool.
That's one regret I definitely have, Rich. Buying that piece of shit 667. Big mistake.
When Richie recommends or tells somebody something or sends them a link, first bet's the best bet. I'm gone.
I don't know about all that. I'm just saying it's a piece of shit, that's all I'm saying. I ain't saying Richie's right. I'm just saying the fucking Texas Star 667 is a piece of junk.
Well, I got a good repertoire. When I make a recommendation and something, they don't take it, they usually wind up saying I should have listened to Richie. And when I send them something, they said, damn, Richie was right, I'm back in my cut.
Yeah. No, I most definitely will never say I should have listened to Richie. I don't do that. I'll let that thing blow 100 times before I say that.
Well, you know what, Mac? I beg to differ with you because I have a video gate on that channel that shows you saying exactly just that. The power of the video gate.
Good evening, Nigeria. Oh, background in the Carolina, reading the mail.
Between me and you guys. Sometimes in between me and you guys. Hey, I'm standing by.
Chill right now, WW, man. Boy, you smoking up there too, man. Goodness. I get it that time, man. No bullshit about it, man. All right, then. Just pass some time, man. I heard there a couple of folks out there around the big office, that big ass shit. Hey, Trip, take that short.
I told you it was Skip, Brown. I told you it was Skip. The pistol video gate. The pistol video gate. Me and this two-bill driver, 7 minutes zone.
I don't know your background. I don't know what happened to fuck. You ease up in my radio real hard, though, fuck. You that WW got it going on, man. Hello, background. Hello, WW. Over in Horny Schmopia, right here, Brooklyn, New York City. I mean, it's hot top Chevy getting down. Bring it.
Full in on the hard top Chevy. Hey, alright, I was just wrapping it up with 999 that they just came with the OK Corral. Alright, we'll ease this back. Hey, Brown Hornet, you going to the break in, Rock Hill?
I'm leaving Thursday night. God spend my life and everything all right. I'm leaving Thursday night. WW, bring it. Hey, Brown Hornet.
Got Big Key, don't see you on parole. You can't be out.
Come on, background. Mr. Brown.
I see you.
Background, Mr. Brown. Let me walk in.
The power of the video gate. Your pistol video gate is rolling up back in the rack.
Take care, man. I'm going to get my daggone dinner going on. I just went out and got me a daggone sandwich for dinner. Y'all take care. Number 12, Brown Hornet, Triple over there around Connecticut. Y'all have a peaceful, blessed day. Your background in the Carolinas, officially 107. Bye.
Hey, background, I hope you enjoyed that sandwich, background. Hey, background, look at that background. I'm the background of New York City. I got that.
Hey, get it down. Bring it.
I told you that Skip trying to dead key, trying to get his shit straight.
I didn't say cool. I said cool. I meant to say furlough. They furloughed me for a couple of weeks away. I stayed. So now they looking for me. The background got out of there quick.
Somebody's still trying to key that station. They don't know there's a switch on the bottom of that mic. Somebody's still trying to get that station to work, man. They don't know there's a switch on the bottom of that mic. You know where I'm at. 127, we walking back out.
Willie Nelson and Ray Charles, the last 7 angels or something like
appreciate it.
Yeah, I know. You go up sometime, he go up. You know how to do it, Mother Nature.
I know Mother Nature might be gone. But I just turn this thing on till I got a condition going. On the coast, on the driver, body heat up in Michigan, right? Everybody heat. Fire whiskey. Fire whiskey. Pull the bug bug. Time to get my house scat. I want to say good evening to everybody in the sound of my voice. God bless you all. W.W. Brown, Hornet right here in the big city. Hey, W.W. Brown, Hornet Mobile in the big city. Hey, y'all, we all right about that. Hey, W.W. Frank.
I said the static was dropping 2 hours. It turned into about 20 minutes. You're 137, goddamn.
That's a while of wonderful Roger. Once again, I'm going to say hello to all my big brothers up there on the Northeast Chronicles. That's where I'm from. Down here bootlegging in the Carolinas. I just laid it down.
Well, while you're bootlegging, they gotta learn to talk to that radio. We on the East Coast, and we got that East Coast video game, Brooklyn, New York City rolling. Your pistol banging my buzz gone.
Yes, I thought that was in New York, the way he came in here. I was taking a barrel of whiskey roll. Roger. And we're one of the big names out in Connecticut, real black man. Now, we saw him on the New York County. I don't know that was a condition, so I'm going to stand by.
Hey, Buddy Heat, good evening time to you, big bro. Hey, Buddy Heat, good evening time to you, Buddy Heat. Hey, Buddy Heat, while you're up there around Michigan. Hey, Buddy Heat, O'Brien Hornet Mobile in the concrete jungle, Manhattan.
Pow talk. Pow talk. Pow talk. I heard you. I'm standing up.
Well, they need to use Pal Talk to shoot Skip. They need Pal Talk to shoot Skip. Your pistol gripping your video game is rolling.
The video game and not your mouth. That's real talk. Real talk. Pusher, going.
I know it's real talk. I know it's real talk. They need Pal Talk to talk Skip. That's the only way they can talk Skip using Pal Talk. Your New York video game rolling.
Pusher. Yes, I am the right Reverend Dr. Poor Pusher. Come on, let me talk to you. Hey, Poor Pusher's Bar Whiskey. Poor Pusher Bar Whiskey, man. Hello, Poor Pusher. How's everything? Whiskey, New York. Come on. All that damn noise. We run this guy. Come on, man. What's wrong with you? I can't bring you out, man. You ain't got the best conditions. You're sliding back now. And them got niggas in New York is keying up heavy. Let me get up out of here, but hello to you. I appreciate you calling my name. I'm sorry I couldn't call yours. The pusher just laid it down. Bye.
That's cause we heavy in New York pistol. That's cause we heavy in New York pistol. That's cause we heavy pistol. Bang, 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 bang.
Hello, Mr. Phil Pusher. Hey, Phil. Hello, Phil Pusher, Dr. Love in the Big Apple. Hello, Phil Pusher, Dr. Love. Phil Pusher. Yeah, okay. Hey, you out here. Hello, Mr. Love. Hello, the right Reverend Dr. Phil Pusher. All right, 999. Hey, first son, Dr. Dr. Love in Brooklyn, right? Phil Pusher, fire. All right, first son, Dr. 21 keys.
and a pistol and bang, bang, bang.